Today, today is the day. Tomorrow is another day. If tomorrow no comes, tomorrow is not come. If tomorrow is another day, in another 3 days, it's a third day. Tomorrow is another day, in a 3 days. This a Saturday, 3 days, a Monday. Yeah.
दिन कै हाँस्छ यार